Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to fix Faceit and Anti-Cheat error on Windows 11. So guys, for this, first of all, restart your PC and Faceit Anti-Cheat. So guys, the basic step resolve many temporary software glitches and the temporary conflict that might prevent the anti-cheat from launching. So completely close the Faceit anti-client from your system tray and save any open work and close the application. Restart your Windows 11 PC and launch the Faceit and Anti-Cheat first before opening any game attempt to join a match on facelift. Second thing is guys, update window and all driver. Outdated operating component or the driver can cause completely issue with the anti-cheat software leading to the launch failure. Then go to the start setting window update, check for the update your graphic driver through the NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adeline software. Then guys, visit the motherboard manufacturer website. Then restart your PC for installing the latest update. After that guys, disable the conflicting software. For this, open your taskbar, review the process and temporarily disable your antivirus and the firewall. Also turn off any VPN clients. Then close any game overlays like Discord overlays, Xbox game bar before launching your Faceit AC. Okay. Another thing is guys, reinstall Faceit Anti-Cheat Clean. For this, go to the start setting app installed application. Find your application Faceit and click the three dot and click the option of uninstall and then restart your PC, then download it again and check and run in as an administrator and follow the on-screen prompts. Then guys, enable secure boot and TPM in the BIOS. For this, restart your PC, repeatedly press the BIOS, navigate to the boot and security section in your BIOS, locate secure bottom and set it enabled. Find TPM devices and save changes and exit your BIOS. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.